Hey everybody, so I got a quick video to do. I got a electronic hub for testing for free, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so let's get this ripped open. This was sent to me for testing. It's DesertWest. It's another DesertWest item. This is a hub, wide capability, model ARAZ21. Size 268 by 56 by 17 millimeters. Net weight is 128 grams. Output interface is Type C. Interface Type C. RJ45. HDMI, SD, TF, USB 3.0 times 4. USB-C hub, 9-in-1 USB-C adapter. What it's called on the label. Very sleek, generic box. That's what it looks like. It's just showing the DesertWest emblem. So this is just going to be a real quick video. I will do the unboxing in a separate video, and we'll talk a little more about it in that video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Peace.